Hello and welcome. Thank you for checking out this video. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can create a TikTok draft. If you are not on TikTok now, then you should be on TikTok. When you think of all the social media platforms that you have on your phone right now, such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, just anything with video, you will find that TikTok is the hottest app that you will find on your phone right now. If you are looking for ways to show your creativity, your imagination, and to be able to get yourself out of your comfort zone and to have some fun, then TikTok is the app for you. Great perks about TikTok is being able to create drafts. So what are drafts? Drafts are recorded parts of a video that you can save and edit later. You can create drafts in multiple locations and add it in the same video. You can also edit your drafts later on. You can add more recordings to your draft and post it at the right time. One of the most important things about TikTok is knowing when to post. What times are the best times to post where your TikTok will be seen. If you want a chance to create a viral video, then TikTok is the app for you. How easy is it? It's very easy. Just follow along with me in the step-by-step video tutorial on creating a draft, and you will see how easy it is for you. So, just the facts, let's jump into the video. Tap on the big plus sign. Choose your effect. I have chosen Warped World. Start to record your video. When you have done recording your video, choose the red circle with the white check mark. You will then see your video, choose the next button, and down at the bottom left, you will see drafts. Click on drafts. It will then be saved in your drafts. To find your drafts, make sure you are on your profile, not your inbox, but your profile, where you will see on the bottom right-hand corner, and in the big box that you can't miss that says drafts, you can click into drafts. One thing to remember is if you uninstall your TikTok, you will lose all of your drafts. In order for you to delete a draft, you will just press down on the draft that you want to delete and choose the delete draft. And you will see, do you want to discard this draft? And you say yes. And you can delete the draft. To edit your draft, you tap into the draft, and when you tap the back arrow, this will take you into your last video clip. To continue shooting, you click the back arrow again, and you can continue shooting. Or you can also edit. You can add sounds, effects, text, and stickers, and then when you are done, click next. Add your hashtags, your description, your settings, and either post or send back to drafts. Thank you for watching this very short video. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos that are coming up for TikTok, YouTube, and other social media platforms. In the description, you will find videos that I created for doing a duet, for doing a stitch, and also using the green room effect. Don't forget to follow me on the DIY Affiliate on YouTube and the Secret YouTuber on TikTok. Looking forward to hanging out with you in the next video. Stay safe. Have a wonderful evening.